Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable smart panel in Infinix Hot 11 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open settings, then click special function, then click smart panel, then enable that. You can select the panel settings, then choose which tools you need to display it in the smart panel. So these tools is displayed here. Now in the home page, you need to swipe left to access the smart panel. Now you can use any app shortcuts here. Also you can screenshot, you can use screen recorder, any option here. So it's a very useful feature. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.